You know, as for me though, just want to let you know that my electrocardiologist told me that he's gonna put me on blood thinners so that I don't get the AFib anymore. But I can never use my naproxen, and the first day or so wasn't so bad because I guess since the blood is thinner, it's not pulsating through the pain, you know, to create pain. But after the third and fourth day, it was horrible, the pain. And like when I bleached my hair, because I knew I was gonna be, because I was really, really trying hard to get every spot. I skipped the blood thinner and took the naproxen. I couldn't. I was having the hardest time sleeping, and I've been waking up. I've been falling into deeper sleeps, and as usual, I'm having nightmares when I go into deep sleeps, and which is what I don't like about the melatonin. But then I'll wake up, and it'll take me like 2 hours to fall back asleep, and because I'm in pain, I've been waking up with headaches because I don't. My sinuses are so swollen. So naproxen was really good about, you know, it takes down all the swelling. Um, and then they're telling me things like, oh, you can't take fluoxetine, you can't take anything for depression, you can't take anything, you know, that's gonna have. I can't take anything with aspirin in it because it's gonna. If I get cut, they said I could bleed to death because the blood is gonna be so thin, it's not gonna clot. So that's been hard. So what I remember, I had a big bottle of bromelain that, you know, it was too much, and my eye had a blood vessel burst in it. But now that I'm not taking the naproxen anymore, I'm trying to take that and see how that goes. But if I'm doing my hair or something, I'm skipping the blood thinner, and I'll take a naproxen because the pain is just so. Even from when I did those swatches last week, my hand was hurting because, you know, I'm doing this, rubbing it here all the time, and my arthritis was killing me in this hand. So that, yeah. So anyway, hopefully next week I'll have my SpongeBob. Next week I'm gonna re-bleach my hair. I'll give it a week's rest and then do 1-to-1 to get all this blue out and get my roots in the back and any other spots that I may have missed. And, you know, hopefully I'll be able to show you my SpongeBob next week. So anyway, take care. Mwah.